what was the last season?
Thoughts.
Yes. Well, yeah, unfortunately, I only had one game to feel it out, but definitely much better naman. I feel a lot better with the grace of God and everybody who helped me through it, my coaches and my PTs. I think we're on the right track. Very unfortunate on our end, of course, what happened. Yun nga, sabi namin kanina, bilog yung bola. Sometimes taas ka, sometimes nasa baba ka. And it's just something we have to accept right now. Very hard. But yeah, we take a few days and really have to learn a lot from what has happened.
Bea, kamusta yung dugout after the loss?
Well, we really have to shift it right away into something positive. So, obviously, it's a loss and we're still sad. But at the same time, again, yeah, we have to take it something positive that there's more to come, more to learn, more to improve on. And that's something we have to welcome with joy as well. Even if, same as how we welcomed our wins before, we also welcome this and again, yeah, turn it into something good.
Kaya from the sidelines lang, describe Creamline's campaign, Creamline spirit, the way you saw it from the sides, even though you were not playing.
Well, the one thing, why, on my end, what I've always admired about this team and why I love being here is really the culture that separates them. Obviously, it didn't get us through this conference and through the year. It has been quite a down year for us. But I know that, and I trust in my teammates, especially in our seniors, that we pull together, and that again, this is something we're really gonna do our best to turn into something better for all of us, and make sure that from the seniors we pass it down to the young ones. I'm fortunate enough to still be in the middle. But yun, to make sure na we pass on that culture, the mindset and the character of Creamline. Thank you guys.
Yun nga, yung sabi ko nga sa team, we must accept yung anong nangyayari. Yun yung pinaka-best way na masasabi ko lang as a coach sa kanila. Marami pa naman liga, so it's better na i-accept agad namin. Kasi wala namang gusto matalo. Okay.
Coach, na-break yung 19 podium streak nyo. Gano'n, may bigat ba o paano nyo na lang pinakaroon?
Siyempre, ako naman is lahat naman ng record na be-break eh. So siguro yung time ngayon. Pero yun nga, pinaka-importante is acceptance ng pagkatalo. Talagang deserve talaga ng Petrogas. Sobra yung nilaro nila. Lalo na nung nawalan sila na import, talagang champion caliber talaga yung team talaga.
Coach, saan na lang siguro nagkulang ka nila? Saan kayo pinapos against them?
Marami yung break of the games din, mga lapses namin sa service receive, medyo hindi gumanda. So sabi ko nga, game yan, hindi lang basta spike yung nangyayari. Pero yun nga, tapos na. So let's move on na lang dun sa situation.
Ano lang po next para sa inyo sa Creamline?
Reality is hindi namin alam kasi sabi ko nga, ito yung first time I experience ng Creamline na hindi makapasok sa semifinal. So depende din sa attitude tsaka yung even ng isang players kung paano tatanggapin. Pero marami pa naman time para makabawi.